just to give you a background, no, everyone, I just kept on telling everybody, I don't know why, that I had a crush on Wawi de Guzman. He's a Filipino dancer. Okay, so I sabi ko, I had a crush on Wawi de Guzman. And Wawi de Guzman parang nalalab team ba siya kay Judy Ann noon? That time?
Yes, oo, oo. Diba? Prime
So,
love team sila noon.
Correct. So, being one of the most talented, artistic person sa team, he superimposed my face on Judy Ann and Wally's poster. And then Tanya was laughing so hard that she couldn't keep a straight face, and she was looking at the poster. Pero Mikhail didn't want to show it to me because he said he thinks I was gonna be offended.
Yes. Sobrang talagang inedit niya. Parang, puta sila si Juday. This is Georgine. Grabe, sobrang husay. Okay, clue yun, di ba?